Welcome to today's video. In this episode, we're diving into the incredible power of positive thinking and how it can transform your life. But first, if you enjoy content like this, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends who could use a little motivation today. So what exactly is positive thinking? It's not just about being happy or optimistic all the time. Positive thinking is a mental attitude that focuses on the good in every situation and expects favorable results. It means having faith in yourself, believing that good things are possible, and focusing on solutions rather than problems. This mindset has been shown to reduce stress, improve emotional well-being, and even enhance physical health. We all face challenges, but how we choose to react can make a huge difference. By practicing positive thinking, you can shift your focus from what's going wrong to what can be done to make things better. It's about taking control of your thoughts instead of letting negativity control you. Why is positive thinking so important, and what can it do for you? The benefits go far beyond just feeling good. Positive thinkers tend to have 1. Better physical and mental health. Research shows that a positive outlook lowers stress levels, reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease, and strengthens the immune system. 2. Greater resilience. When faced with challenges, positive thinkers recover faster and are more likely to stay motivated and keep moving forward. 3. Improved relationships. People who maintain a positive mindset tend to attract others who share their energy, creating better personal and professional relationships. 4. More success in life. Whether it's in your career, your relationships, or your personal goals, positive thinkers often find more success because they focus on solutions, not setbacks. These benefits are available to anyone who practices positive thinking consistently. It's not about pretending problems don't exist, but about choosing to focus on what you can control and how you can improve. So, how can you start practicing positive thinking in your daily life? It's all about forming habits that encourage a shift in mindset. Here are some practical steps you can take. 1. Replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Whenever you catch yourself thinking negatively, stop and consciously replace that thought with a positive one. For example, instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "I'll figure it out." 2. Surround yourself with positivity. The people and media you engage with have a big impact on your mindset. Choose to spend time with people who lift you up and avoid those who constantly bring negativity. 3. Keep a gratitude journal. Writing down 3 things you're grateful for each day can train your brain to focus on the good. This simple habit has a profound effect on shifting your mindset. 4. Practice affirmations. Start your day by repeating positive affirmations like, "I am capable," "I am worthy," or "I can achieve my goals." Over time, these affirmations can reprogram your mind to think more positively. Let's take a look at a real-life example of how positive thinking can change your life. Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb, faced thousands of failures before he succeeded. While many would have given up, Edison's positive mindset allowed him to keep going. He famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." This mindset of seeing failure as a learning opportunity is a perfect example of positive thinking in action. It's not about avoiding mistakes, but rather learning from them and continuing to push forward. Positive thinking gives you the perseverance to overcome setbacks and achieve great things, no matter how many times you stumble along the way. In conclusion, the power of positive thinking lies in its ability to shape your reality. It's a mental shift that opens the door to new possibilities and helps you navigate life's challenges with hope and resilience. Remember, it's not about pretending everything is perfect. Positive thinking is about focusing on what's within your control and choosing to see the potential for good, even in difficult situations. By changing your thoughts, you can change your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a boost of positivity today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.